Am I the only one that didn't know setting up an Xbox 360 is basically plug and play? No need for tech wizardry here. Here's how to get gaming fast. First, unbox everything and lay out your Xbox 360, cables and controller-like game loot, easy to see, hard to lose. Next, pick your display cable. Got HDMI? Use it for the best graphics. If not, component or composite will do the trick. Just match the colors. Set your Xbox on a solid open spot. No carpets or tight spaces, or you'll risk overheating faster than a boss battle. Now plug in your chosen video cable to both the Xbox and your TV. Power time. Connect the power brick and plug it straight into the wall. Hit that big round power button, flip your TV to the right input. Boom, Xbox dashboard. Plug in your controller or sync it wirelessly by pressing the little connect buttons. Follow the on-screen setup to make your profile, pop in a game disc, and you're ready to play. Quick tip: if you want online features, connect to the internet and let the updates roll.